Hey everybody, so we are going to can some leftover ham, and that's the glaze that you see on there. And yeah, we're just gonna cut it up and put it in jars. So let me get my last swig of coffee and let's hack into this thing. So let's see where that bone is at. And then we will use that bone for some bends. Ugh. And those glazed pieces I'll use in a pot of beans. I'm sure my husband won't poo-poo a pot of beans. And we're just going to cube this up. And put it in our jars. If you've ever canned ham and noticed that it's really dark, when you're buying your hams, look to see if it has dextrose. That's what makes it really dark. And I don't have the label on mine to see if it has that in there. You want to pack these really well. So push that down in there. Let's see. I want to save 3 cups. I might be able to get that off of that bone part for another recipe. I'm going to take this skin off. Or the rind, whatever you call it in your world. Get off some of that fat. And I will probably do this in the Kerry canner because there isn't enough to fill a regular canner. You can have these on the shelf for whatever you need that needs some ham. Ham salad, ham and beans, split pea soup. If you're storing beans, you'll want something to go in there. So I'm just going to keep hacking away at this and I'll be back. Okay, so we have 4 pints of that, and then I have the bone and some scrap meat, and all we're going to do is pour water You don't need salt or anything because it's ham. Mr. T, for such a little dog, he has a big bark. And we're going to debubble. So go all the way around. If you need to add more water, add more water. I'm not going to because this will release fat because it's ham and juices probably. So I don't want my jars to overfill or siphon. I want to leave 1 inch of headspace. Add a smidge more to that one. We're going to wipe our rims with water. I mean vinegar, not water. Vinegar. And I will be doing these in the carry. If you have an electric pressure canner and you use yours, just follow the directions with your canner. These will process for 75 minutes because it is a packed jar of meat. Times are based on density, not the ingredient. Get our lids. Oh, and I forgot to get my rings. Fingertip tight. Don't want to crank them down. And there we go. I will see you when these are coming out of the electric canner. Plus I need to charge my battery. Okay, you guys, so let's see how I can do this. Our ham is ready. Smells very hammy in here. And it doesn't look like it came out too dark, so that's probably just whatever sugar from the glaze And I did that in the carry. So there's our ham. Oops, I just jiggled that camera something awful. So yeah, 4 pints of leftover ham. I have the bone going in a pot of water there. We're gonna have ham and beans tomorrow with some cornbread for dinner because it's supposed to snow. Not excited. So anyways, if you have any questions, post them down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps keep the channel alive. And I will see you all in the next video.